All right, guys, I'm back. Let's do it. In 2008, Xena earned 14% more than in 2007. Okay. And in 2009, Xena earned 4% more than in 2008. Okay. If Xena earned y times as much in 2009 as in 2007, what is the value of y? All right, so this type of question, I like using what's called compatible numbers. This is my personal approach. You know, it could have probably been done differently, but that's how I do it. So what I start with is I start with which one was less. So it goes 2008 is 14% more 2007. So 2007. So let's say in 2007 it was $100. With percents, it's always good to use 100. 100 like as a like $100. So it means that in 2008, 14% more than in 2007. So it's going to be right away you can say 114 because 14% of 100 is 14. That's why it's a compatible number. And now in 2009, it's 4% more than 2008. So how do we get 4% more than this? We multiply this number by 1.04. Okay, so it's going to be 2009 equals to, and obviously we're using the calculator, which is 114 times 1.04, which is 118.56. And do I need to tell you what is the answer here? No, I don't, right? You don't even have to do the last thing. Because it's y times as much, then obviously I have to divide. I have to divide this by this, and then what do I get? D, but I don't have to do it. I don't have to do it. I'm cutting my corners. I see the numbers. So, boom. I mean, dividing by 100 is a joke. So, obviously. Alrighty. We're slowly creeping into the questions that are supposed to be hard. Obviously, most of them are I'm going to be solving during our live session on Sunday, the hardest ones. But you know, let's do as much as we can. We have a little more time. All right, circle question. Well, also kind of warms my heart, to be honest. I still haven't seen. Okay, there was a class like maybe several months ago when I've taught my students circle questions, only circle questions, and out of I don't know how many we did, like maybe 15 to 20, there was only one question that was more or less challenging, but not really. You know, if you know theory, remember I told you that should be a theory. If you know theory for circles, they are never hard. So let's see. I don't know. I haven't read yet. Circle A shown is defined by the equation this. Okay, we see this. Circle B not shown is the result of shifting circle A down 6 units and increasing the radius so that the radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. Okay. So shifting down, so now it's going to be at -6. So it's gonna the center of the circle is going to be -2, -6. So it's going to be x plus 2, y plus 6. And since the radius was 3 and it's twice, so the radius is 6. So it has to be like, not even looking at the answers, I know that the answer will be x plus 2 squared, y plus 6 squared equals to 36. Where is that answer? Here. I don't know why. they I don't know. They're trying to scare me by putting instead of 36 4 times 9. That's some scary stuff, but not really. Alrighty. Nothing even to say. Just the theory. Just knowing how it works. Circle, like, if anyone is interested in like getting more theory, I probably should be putting the topics. Like, let's say if someone is lacking a little bit of theory, then that I can I can put the, like, let's say the topic name, and you can go and watch, like, I don't know, several YouTube videos on like equation of the circle, because that's what it is. Equation of a circle, of equation of circles. I don't know how to say, or of a circle. All right. No, I don't know. So far, we're getting closer to the hardest questions, and I have not seen any challenges yet. And I'm afraid that's you know how it works. You know, if they if they don't challenge you in the beginning, or like even until the end, then there's going to be a couple of unsolvable questions in the end. So looking forward to them. Yeah. All right. I don't know. Nothing scares me in this setup. This is also theory. What is it? Special. Right. Triangles. What does that mean? How do I know? I know it because one of the circle is 30. That means that whoa, my God, I said circles. Whoa. One of the angles is 30 degrees. It means that another is 60. And what do we even have to know? Okay, we have to know tangent of A. So we got the A, which is 60. Now we have to know tangent. From SOHCAHTOA, we need to remember that tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite side over adjacent side. What is the opposite side to A? Is this. This side is opposite. What is the adjacent? Adjacent is this side. This is opposite. This is adjacent. But I don't have them yet. But can I find them? Yes, I can. How do I find them? There is a rule on a special right triangles, because there is a formula that actually is given to you here. This is what we're dealing with. This is a special right triangle of 30, 60, 90. What is that? What does it give us? It gives us that the hypotenuse is 2x and the shortest side is x, which is twice less than that, and middle side is the shortest side times square root of 3. If you know the theory, that's great. You don't have to go down or go back to look at that, because right away we know that if this is 54, that the shortest side, which is across from 30, should be 27. And the middle side, that's across from 60, is 27 times square root of 3. Okay. Now opposite over adjacent. Opposite, 27 square root of 3 over adjacent, 27. reducing 27 and 27, getting square root of 3 over 1, or just square root of 3. This is, well, okay, I'm not gonna flex that much and say that it's a 10-second question, but let's say it's in the 30-second range. Especially, you know what, if not, I can probably do it in 30 seconds, in 10 seconds, to be honest. 10 seconds is a lot. Because I wouldn't go up. I remember special right triangles, and so should you. Okay, we have 5 minutes less. I'm looking at this baby, and I'm not starting it. No way I can do it in time, nor explain it at the same time, nor I want to actually look at it right now, because I want it to be fresh in my eyes during our live session on Sunday.
It was a wording problem, actually. But
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Don't tell me. Don't. I want to be like. I want to see
Okay.
it. I want to see it for the first time, and I want to experience all the spectrum of all the feelings that I should. you know. So and share it with you. And if you remember, I always say that if I read the question and I feel like I don't know what to do, I tell you, guys, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I need to I need to think, or I need to try, or I need to, you know what I mean? So let's see what's gonna happen there. All right, guys. I will see you all on Sunday, hopefully. I mean, some of you not on Sunday, but whatever. And I hope, I really tried today, to, I noticed that some of my classes, online classes, were a little bit prolonged. I would say a lot of and be distracted. Today I tried to be very dynamic. Okay, so I will see you all on Sunday, and you guys have a good night.
Good night to you too.
Night, Daniel.